Hello everyone, this is Sir Jhay and I will be discussing to you the difference among the words fill in, fill out, and fill up. Marami sa atin na nagkakamali kung ano nga bang dapat natin gamitin, kung fill in, fill out, or fill up. So in this video, you will be learning the difference among the words fill in, fill out, and fill up. Now, pakatatandaan lang natin na yung tatlong words na nakikita nyo sa screen ninyo are what we call the phrasal verbs, which contain a verb and a particle, which is now your preposition or an adverb. Take note that the main verb doon sa tatlong words na fill up, fill out, and fill in is fill. So when we say to fill, that means you are going to put something in an empty space. Now, let's see the difference among those three words. Una, the fill in and fill out. Take note that fill in and fill out are both used to complete a form. But the difference is that you use fill in when you are going to tell someone to write something in just one field or one portion of a form. Okay, for example, fill in your name here, fill in your age here, fill in your address here. Okay, so isusulat nyo lang dun sa isang field or portion ng form but not the entire form. Okay, or you can use fill in when you are going to shade a circle like in an examination. So for example, you are going to say, fill in the circles using your black ball pen. Okay, so that is the use of fill in. But on the other hand, fill out is being used when you tell someone to write the information needed in the entire form. Okay, so sa entire form, fill out ang gagamitin. Kapag entire form ang lalagyan nyo ng mga information na kailangan, fill out ang gagamitin. So yung mga common grammar mistakes natin na sinasabi natin, did you already fill up the form? Please fill up the form. Are we going to fill up this form? So yan yung mga common grammar mistakes natin na napakamali. Why? Because fill up cannot be used when pertaining to complete a form or a document. Because when we say fill up, it means you are going to make something become full. Okay, you are going to make something become full. So for example, you are going to make the container full with water. What are you going to say? So you are going to say, I will fill up this container with water. Or when you are out of gasoline, what are you going to say? So you are going to say, I need to fill up my car with fuel. So that is the use of fill up. So you cannot use fill up when you are pertaining to complete a form or a document because a form cannot hold the liquid, isn't it? Unless ilalagay mo yung form sa liquid, but it will be destroyed. So yun lang ang ibig sabihin na hindi dapat natin gamitin ng fill up kapag ang tinutukoy natin ay ang pag-fill out ng form o pag-complete ng form. So kapag ginagamit natin ang fill out, yun ay kapag i-complete natin yung entire form. Pero kapag fill in, pag one field or portion lang ng form. O kaya naman kapag mag-shade ka sa mga examination. So that is the difference among the words fill out, fill in, and fill up. So I hope you learned something today. This is Sergey at your service.